Hi guys, I'm going to make some baked shrimp, and it's a real simple recipe like most of mine are. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees and I put a stick of butter in this 9 by 13 pan and let it melt. Now I'm going to lay these lemons. I sliced a lemon. I'm going to lay the lemons in the butter. This was a big lemon too. I tried to get out as many big seeds as I could. I didn't really fool with the little ones. Alright, now I also I can't find I have 1.5 pounds of fresh shrimp right here, and I'm going to lay these. Oh no, that's not what I did next. I washed the shrimp. Then I sprinkled a packet of Italian dressing over it. I didn't use Good Seasons. I can't remember the name of the one I used. Here it is. Wishbone. Wishbone, because it was cheaper, and I'm kind of I think that way, you know, whatever I can get a better price at. Although, you know, I am a stickler about some things. But anyway, I put it in a bowl, I put it in a colander and washed the shrimp, let it drain. Then I sprinkled this seasoning all over it, and I let it sit for a little while the butter melted. I almost let that butter melt too long. Anyway, I'm going to put all this shrimp on top of this butter and lemons. They had a real good sale today on butter at Winn-Dixie. It's a 3-day sale, so naturally I marched my little rear end down there and bought some of it. Because I start to panic, almost, when I get out of butter. I don't like to use margarine. Alright, so I'm done with this. And, hold on a sec. And because, you know, I like everything a little zesty, I'm going to put, I hope this isn't too much, put a little flakes on there. I don't want much. I mean, you know, just enough to perk it up some. And besides, these still have the skins on them. Now, this is going back in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. And then it'll be done. And I'll bring you back when that happens. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. These shrimp are done. Only thing I'm going to do is kind of swish them around in here. And before I sliced that lemon, I zested it. And off camera, because I forgot to do it, I put the zest on the shrimp. But this shrimp is done. It looks wonderful. Alright. I've got my plate fixed here. I'm going to back you off a little bit. I'm real bad about not letting you see. Let's see. There's my plate. And I got this big old spoon. I've got a baked potato and a salad. And I've got this shrimp. I don't eat a lot of bread. I do eat it sometimes. In fact, I made bread for years. But I decided I gained 10 pounds in a month making bread. So I quit. Alright, here's my shrimp. it has the skin on. Now, you have to peel every one of them. Now, you can do it however you want. If you do not like spice, don't add the spice to the shrimp like I did. Ooh, I'm suffering for y'all because this is hot. Let's see. It's very good. Very good. I would say it needed a little salt, but that might not be what you think. And if I were going to salt it, I would use garlic salt because it's so good with shrimp. That's my meal for today. Thank you for coming in and spending some time with me. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and please subscribe if you haven't. So thank you for coming in. Until next time, you take care.